Hey, Cruz. Well, here we are at the end of kindergarten, and this is definitely not the way that we all thought we would end the school year. I'm here in the classroom all by myself, and it's so quiet, and I miss you guys so much. I wish you guys were here playing and having fun with me. But since we can be together, I wanted to send you a message and let you know that this year I picked you for the Woolly Sweet Award for always being a fluff ball of kindness, because you are such a sweet boy to your teachers and to your friends, and I appreciate your kindness. You were always there to help somebody that was having a bad day or that needed a pick me up. You were always the one, and you did it so quietly. You never had to tell me that you were doing it, and I noticed you being such a good friend all the time, and I just wanted to let you know that I miss you, and I hope you have a great summer, buddy.